In a quiet coastal village lived a girl named Lena. She was known for one beautiful habit. She watched the sunrise every single morning. To Lena, sunrise was more than just colors in the sky. It was a promise, a new start, a fresh chance. She believed that every sunrise carried a message. But one winter, the sky stayed cloudy for many days. No sunlight. No warm colors. Only cold wind and heavy clouds. Lena stood on the shore every morning, waiting, but nothing changed. The villagers laughed and said, "You're wasting time. Sunrise won't come today." But Lena just smiled softly and replied, "Even if we cannot see the sun, it is still rising." One morning, after many dark days, Lena met an elderly fisherman sitting by the shore. His boat was old, his clothes worn, but his eyes were peaceful. He asked, "Why do you wait for the sunrise every day?" Lena sat beside him. "Because the sunrise reminds me that no night lasts forever." The fisherman nodded slowly. He looked at the waves and said, "I used to wait too, not for sunrise, but for life to become easy. I kept waiting and waiting, until I learned something important." Lena leaned forward. "What did you learn?" He smiled gently. "That we don't wait for life to shine. We create our own light, even on cloudy days." Lena thought deeply about his words. They felt warm, like sunlight in her heart. Just then, the sky began to change. The clouds didn't fully disappear, but a thin golden line appeared at the horizon. Soft. Quiet. Beautiful. Lena whispered, "There it is." The fisherman nodded. "Yes. The sun always rises, even if we don't see it right away." As the sky slowly turned orange and pink, Lena felt something powerful. She understood that waiting wasn't weakness, it was strength. It was hope. It was believing in light, even when the world looked dark. She said, "Maybe sunrise isn't something we watch. Maybe it's something we carry inside." The fisherman smiled. "That's the real sunrise." The waves sparkled. The sky glowed brighter. And Lena felt brave. Braver than she had ever felt before. From that day on, people didn't laugh at her morning ritual. They joined her. One by one. Until many villagers stood together at the shore, waiting for the first light of every morning. And Lena realized something beautiful. Sometimes, one person's hope becomes the sunrise for everyone else.